I'm David Stolfo with MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing great today. Today I wanted to show you our 2019 Crest Caliber 250 Tri-Toon boat. Wonderful running boat. It has the CP3 performance package with the larger center tube, the aluminum underskinning. It's got the hydraulic steering and a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engine. So this is not your grandmother's pontoon boat. Thing performs, it looks magnificent. The exterior color is a black, and it's got a firecracker orange on the sides as well as inside to bring the kind of the whole color inside. It's got the distressed gray polyvinyl flooring. It's nice and resilient, easy to keep clean. Got a really nice sporty dash here with the Simrad GPS built right in. Got some billet aluminum there, looks great, and you got their tilt wheel. Love that. This boat has the ultra premium stereo system with the subwoofer and the extra amplification. It's the SLC seating plan with the split rear loungers in the rear here, so that's super nice. It's got a 79-gallon fuel tank in the center log, makes it nice and stable. Nice big swim ladder, stainless steel. Good area for swimming off of back here. And the Crest Caliber 250 is a wonderful performing Tri-Toon boat. I know you'll have a good time with your family and friends on this one. Plenty of room, lots of performance. It's located here at Beaufort, Georgia, MarineMax, and you can reach us at 770-614-6968. And I'm David Stolfo. Thanks for looking the boat over with me.